Sometimes art doesn't need a subject, it just needs movement, texture, and a little bit of code. Welcome everyone. Spread the texture paste with the help of a palette knife. Smoothen the surface, and with simple tools like a paint scraper, I created this flowing circular textures. No rules, you can go in any direction you want. Just letting the lines guide the rhythm of the piece. Takes a little getting used to, but trust me, it's very calming. I let it dry completely. Then I started with a muted base, soft grays with a hint of blue, keeping the palette calm and minimal. I gently highlighted certain parts, places where the eye naturally wants to travel. This is where the magic happens. After 20 to 30 minutes, check the darkness and then apply gold slowly, imperfectly, because imperfections are what make it feel alive. I don't try to control the gold. I let it break, scatter, and settle on its own. That contrast between softness and shine is everything. Every line tells a story of patience, of healing, of light finding its way through quiet spaces. This isn't chaos, it's balance. Where blue learns to breathe again and gold learns to be gentle. Some stories don't need words. They just need to be felt. And this is what abstract art is about: feeling, not explaining. Every viewer will see something different, and that's exactly how it should be. Tell you in the beginning, art doesn't mean the subject. It just means movement, texture, and a little bit of code. If this process calms your mind, even a little, let me know. Leave a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more slow, mindful. Your support means a lot to me. It helps me grow and encourages me to make more art for you. This follow along tutorial is very easy to recreate. Let me know what you think. Would you find this in your space? Remember to slow down and breathe. Be gentle on yourself. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.